Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So yeah, for today's vlog, as I promised for my previous vlog, I'm gonna do an unboxing of my album haul. Nakikita niyo ba to? Hindi ko siya mausap.
Let's go, guys!
Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go! So, saan natin sisimulan? Let's go! This just arrived today and nasanitize ko na siya lahat. And okay, so we'll remove the poster tubes first. Ano bang laman ng poster tubes na to? Malalaman natin mamaya. Oh my God.
Meanwhile,
let's go and check the first box. Okay. First box contains Salute albums. Yeah. 5, ano version ba to? Royal? Hindi ko matandaan kung ito ang Royal at alin ang Loyal. 6 na Loyal ata. Loyal. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. And here's the album from Blackpink. What are these? Dito yon. So we have Treasure albums and Winner din. Oh, Spinning Top and Winner album. Okay. 1 box down. The Grid albums. Grid. And also 17. Hengare. Equal albums. 10 equal albums. Equal albums. Earth version. Next box. More the album. And the other grade albums are here. Quality check. And the Beautiful Scar album. Okay, next box. Let's put the poster tubes here first. Next box. Yung dalawa pang Salute na naiwan. And another the album from K-Pop. Next box. Ooh. MC and the Ice Age albums. So the other Color and Me albums. Oh, and our We First Sight and The Boys albums. Chase. And also, The Boys Killer album, Chase, and Bad Liar by Super Junior D&E. Next box. Okay, One Cyan album, Moon version. And One BXXX album by Ha-Sung-won. Okay, Color in Me. Color in Me. And then the Gravity Chapter 2 albums are here. Also, yeah. Next box. Star One Magazine. Star One Magazine of Cho Sung-yeon. More poster tubes. And these are One Lyric Diary and BBC Belief. And also H&D Umbrella, another The Boys Chase, and Kang Daniel's Cosmopolitan Magazine. So here they are. Sama ko siya sa Cho Sung-yeon Star One. Sobrang sikip na ng kwarto ko. Hindi na sila kasya. Okay. Next box. Okay. Day 6, even if they blown, they're here. Napuwing ako. We're down to the last box. Ugh. Okay, more Color on Me albums. Here they are. 10. Ang dami sobra. Hindi ko naisa-isa yan. Basta puro Color on Me yung laman ng last box. So yeah, I purchased this all from Korea and have it shipped here in the Philippines. So, K-pop Fan go! Yay! But wait! There's more! There's more dahil titingnan pa natin tong mga poster tubes. What do we have here? Oh, H&D Umbrella, and then Believe, 2 of them, and One Lyric Diary. Okay, that's the first poster tube. Specific unboxings on next videos. Poster tube 1 down. Next poster tube. Ooh, Kang Daniel. Oh, so these are the 2 Kang Daniel posters from the Cosmopolitan magazine. Specific unboxing on next videos. Next poster tube. Oh, medyo makapal-kapal to. Oh my God. Oh, Treasure. These are the posters for the Treasure. Next, more Treasure posters. Yeah. Next. Bad Liar poster. Ooh, Lee Dong-hae. We-I and The Boys. Yay! So yeah, I've pretty much unboxed everything. Specific unboxing will be in the next videos. And like I said, there's more because it's a prank! This is not all mine. So, this video is for our chummies. Sa lahat po ng customer ng Chum Chum Factory PH, this is Chum Chum's Batch 2 Jumbo Box. So, it already arrived. I've pretty much shown you all of the albums that's included inside. And I will check muna yung mga number ng mga album sa inventory namin kung tama and all. And then we will start shipping it to you. So thank you for watching my video. See you in my next videos. Again, chummies, here are your albums. Yay!